happy family, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Today I was going to start packing up a swap that I have pending, so I thought I would share it with you and show you what I'm sending off to my partner. The swap is for a altered candy box, Valentine's Day candy box. So I have altered the box that I'm going to send my partner, and we were to fill it up with all embellishments. I did make her a little card, which is this one. I just thought that was so adorable. It is a heart and it opens up, and I don't know if she wants to read the message, so I'm going to cover it up. But there is my card to her, and it has pattern paper on the back. So let me show you the embellishments that I've made. Made her a couple of hearts, and you know, I just die cut the heart, and then I put a double loop bow on there with a little heart resin piece in the center, and then this trim, and then I put some little gems on there. And this one's the same, it's just in a different color, and it's got a triple bow heart. So that is one of the embellishments that I've sent her. The next one that I made for her are some round doilies, and they have little hearts, and again I use that resin piece in the center. These are the same. And then I made her a couple of spoons, and these little spoons are so adorable. So this is how I've made the little spoon. I just glued that to the top, pearls right here on the handle, and I use part of that lace trim. I just cut out the heart, and I put another heart right there in the center, and then I put a little dangle at the bottom, and then a bow on the top. And I just thought these were so cute. I can see these on a project. So these are the little spoons that I have made for her. I think they're so cute. I really like those. And then another thing that I made for her was I embellished a key. And I've had this key in my stash for such a long time. I honestly don't even know where I got it. I think someone had sent this to me. So I did use E6000 because I was afraid. I used E6000 on the spoons as well. I don't want anything to come off, so I used E6000. I just glued some gems on the top, the heart right here, and then the pearls, and then some more here at the bottom. And then I just put a little hanging element on the top. I really like that. I like the way that turned out. So that's what I made her. But you guys sent me so much that I went ahead and gifted her a few of the tags and embellishments that you guys sent me. So I'm sending her this one. This is so cute. And guys, I don't remember who sent what, but this one is so adorable. I just love this one. It's so chunky. I love the way it looks on the side. And I really do like this little furry ball at the bottom. I just love how that turned out for someone. And then this one, I thought she would like this one. This is so pretty. I like the filigree heart in the back. And then I sent her a couple of tags, and this is one of the tags that I sent her. This is so pretty. So I'm sending her this tag, and I am sending her this tag. I just thought this was so cute with the little pocket there. I just thought that was so adorable. So I'm sending her this tag as well. I am going to send her this little bow. I don't know where this bow comes from, but I really like it. I don't have this die. I'm gonna have to look for it because I really like this bow. So that is what I'm sending her. Those are my embellishments that are gonna go inside the heart. And let me show you the heart. Here is my decorated candy box. And I had already made one, and I didn't think it was good enough. So I went out, looked for another box. I found a pink one, so this is what I'm sending her, and I've matted it 2 times. I made this bow on the top with all this ribbons hanging down. I used a wooden heart, and I've just put some gems on there. And then I used this flower. This one is from Michael's, and I just sprayed it with some pink spray. And then this key was green. It had green something on there. So I kind of I sanded it off and I put some pink on there. And then I glued some little gems on there. And this rose comes from ASC Crafts. And I put stickles around the rose, not the entire rose, but just around the edges. And then this flower is in my stash. That flower comes with this leaf. And then I tucked in a couple of flowers there. And then some enamel dots on this side, and I put some gems on the left side of the heart. And I didn't do anything to the back, so there is the back. And on the side I used this trim from Dollar Tree, and then I put pearls all going around the heart. And on the inside, of course, it's empty because I have not. And then I sprayed it down with the same pink shimmer spray. So as you can see, this is the pink that the box was. But that is my box to my partner, and I really do hope she likes it. I had a lot of fun making it and trying to figure out how to decorate it. This is my decorated candy box to her. And then that's all we were supposed to send, but you know me. So I took the little heart box that I had made. I showed you guys this little heart box. And then inside, I did make her some flowers. And these are just 3 little flowers. And I put some glass glitter around it, and then stickles around the middle of, or around the smaller flower. And then the center is also glass glitter. And I like the way, and they're all the same. So I made her 3 of those. And then I also made her this little bag, and I just embellished the front of the bag. This is I'm sharing some of the sequins mix, and then I made her this little dangle here for the bag. And on the little dangle, I took a spoon and I just colored it in gold, and then I made her this little dangle. It's got a, you know, just a round bead at the bottom. It's got a little thread spool and then another bead at the top, and that's the little bead that I made for her little bag and her sequins mix. And I just thought that was so cute. And this little bow comes from you guys, so that was super adorable. And then I also included the memory Dex card that I made, the Frybox memory Dex card. And of course, you guys, if you've been keeping up, you know, I made this one, and that was a tutorial, and I just thought it turned out so cute. I didn't fill it out because I want her to use it however she feels, whoever she wants to, whatever information she wants to put on there. That's why I didn't fill it out. But I just thought that was so cute. So I made her that, and then I also made her a little something. I know she has a sweet tooth, so I bought her a little Godiva candy, and then I made a sleeve for it. And this is, you know, I've decorated it nice and simple. So I just put a heart right there, some pearls, some more of that trim, a flower, and then some leaves at the bottom. And that's her candy bar. And then last but not least, I made this little crate. Well, I didn't make the crate. I embellished this little crate. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. So let me show you what's inside the crate. I'm sending her a pink diamond top pin, okay? And then I'm sending her the little box that I made for the Kleenex, and I put a package of Kleenex in there. And then I am sending her some trim, pink trim. I am sending her some die cuts. These are bows. Then I am sending her some gold trim, and all I did was for this was take this tag and put this heart at the bottom, bow on the top, couple of bling pieces, the hanging element, and then a little flower on the top. That's all I did to this. So I just embellished that. And then I sent her a couple of little spools of ribbon, and this is a simple little bag topper, pearls, a heart, and that's it. Just a simple little bag topper. And then this one I altered just a little bit. This one comes from Julia, and I left it as it is. All I did was, instead of, it had a little piece poking out right here where you could hang it sideways, and I kind of wanted it hanging this way. So I just cut that little piece off, put some eyelets on there, and this little eyelash trim on there. That's all I did to this one. Oh, and I did add a flower. That's all I did to this one because it was beautiful on its own. So I did share that with her. And then here's the crate. The crate was a wood color, just the natural wood color. So I painted it white, and then I splattered it with pink paint. And I just love how that turned out. I just love it. And then on the side here, I put some little pearls on each of the little slats, like the nails. And then I cut out one of these flourishes in pink. I put a tiny doily on the back, and then some flowers. Again, this is another of the ASC craft flowers. And then I just, again, stickled the edges of the flower, and then a bow. And these little flowers come from you guys as well. So that was my little crate that I made her with all of her goodies inside. So I thought I'd share this with you guys. That is all that I'm sending her, and I hope she likes what I'm sending. And I will let you see what she sends me back. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.